Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explore how you can use Adobe Express AI to create high quality social media posts quickly and effortlessly. Designing content for social media can be time consuming, especially if you are not a designer, but Adobe Express AI makes it easy by combining smart automation with professional design tools. In this video, I will show you step by step how to use Adobe Express AI to generate social post designs, customize layouts, apply brand colors and font, and create eye-catching visuals for platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, and more. You will also learn how AI-powered features can help you speed up your workflow while maintaining a professional and consistent look. So right now we are at the website of Adobe Express. So you can see, check this URL. You can also type in Google like Adobe Express AI. So you will read to this website, okay, and here you will see that here's a button for creating your design now. But before that, you can see a list of the types of the design that you can make social media design, photo, video, marketing, branding, print, business, education. These are the categories, so you can explore them one by one by categories. So if you want to create a Facebook ad, you can make it. If you want to make Facebook cover banner, you can also do it. So you can see these a lot of things. You can also view all, and on the next section you can see scroll stopping templates that you can use for your business or for your ads. It's up to you. You want to create flyers, logos, Instagram reels, social posts. So in this video we are going to cover social posts, so that's why I just click social posts here, and here we can select any of the social posts and can do customization accordingly. So let's suppose we want to edit this template, so we will click on this edit template. Okay, so here we need to sign up. You can use any of your account, like you can use your Facebook, Google, or continue with email. It's up to you, or you can also continue as guest. So right now I'm going to continue as a guest. Okay, so that I can show you step by step how you can customize social media posts with the help of this Adobe Express AI. So the template is started to load. So let's zoom in. So if you want to edit this text, you just simply double tap and you can write anything you want, like I want welcome. So as you can see, in this way you can edit the text as you want, or you can also use the AI tool to rewrite the text for you. You can see that I have edited this. You can also add elements. You can add element. You can charts, create generative AI, media. You can also even upload your files, your stuffs. So it almost looks like Canva. As you can see, that Canva also looks like this. But there are some other features as well. You can customize the text as well. So let's go for the add content and go for the element section, and here you will see a lot of elements, like you can see these background images. You can also use shape. Let's use this icon. So the icon is loading. Let's wait. So as you can see that the icon has been added here. You can also change the color by selecting the color. Let's see. As you can see, the color has been changed. In this way you can do each and every customization, and then you can download your design to your desktop. So that's all about Adobe Express, how you can use it. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.